at OS level, you need to shut down the database.
Okay.
But in hard backup, no need to shut down the database. So if it is 24/7 operation database also, we can take the backup of the databases.
Yes, yeah.
Okay. So hard backup will be used when there is no heavy transactions. So we need to perform this hard backup at night times only. Whenever there is no heavy transaction, that time only we have to perform the hard backups. So usually whenever you want to meet the business requirements like 24/7 operations or non-stop business operations. So if any database is 24/7 type of this, so we don't get downtime, right? So that time we usually prefer hard backup compared to cold backup.
Okay.
In hard backup, we can perform the backup of.
And like on production, like if you want to take a like production environment, if you want to take backup, like suddenly before deployment, we will do a backup, right? Like, generally.
Yeah. Yeah.
So what type of backup we should be done? Like is it a cold backup?
If database size is very huge, then we'll go for Arman backup. If it is like terabytes, then usually they will go for Arman backup.
Okay.
So and then after Arman backup, they will restore the database in a different server.
Okay.
Okay. If you are doing many changes, like all the tables you are dropping, you are recreating like that. So what they will do, they will take the Arman backup and they will restore in like pre-production DBs will be there. So they will restore the same backup in the pre-production databases.
Okay. And how much time generally it will take for 1 terabyte? Like based on the environment?
No, based on the server configuration also it depends.
Yes, okay.
If it is a good configuration, it will finish in half an hour, sometimes 40 minutes also.
Oh, 1 terabyte, okay.
Yeah, sometimes it will take 1 hour, 2 hours if it is not a good configured server.
Okay.
Usually people will fire the backup from a different server, not from the production server.
Okay, for Arman, okay.
Yeah, Arman, yeah. So if it is cold backup, you need to copy from that server.
Yeah.
And also one option I forgot to mention. When you are performing cold backup, so if it is production database, so what they will do first, they will create one folder, one directory in the same server itself, and they will copy all the files to that server, that directory.
Yeah, cold backup. Yeah.
They will move that one to tape or this anything. So yeah, then they will move that backup to tapes.
Okay, yeah.
Yeah. So if you are if you are taking from the actual location, it may be that moving the backup to tapes, it may take time, right? So that's why what they will do, they will move into different directory in the same server, then they will move that one to tapes.
Okay, like taking the backup locally and moving later to backup location.
Yeah, exactly. Yeah. Okay. In hard backup, so whenever there is no heavy transactions, we need to perform the hard backup. And meeting the business requirements. Whenever there are databases like 24/7 databases, then we will prefer hard backup. And we can perform the backup of table spaces and data files when they are offline or online. So in hard backup, we can perform backup of only table spaces and data files. So here we want to take the redo logs and all. Redo logs backup.
Okay.
And backup of control file to trace. So whenever you perform the hard backup, take the backup of the control file to trace file. So to identify the locations of the data files.
Okay.
and set the database in archlog mode. So to perform the hard backup, the database to be in archlog mode.
Okay, yeah. And one more thing is like in cold backup, whether it is offline or online, we can take a backup, right?
Yeah,
That
exactly.
doesn't matter.
Yeah. This offline or online means nothing but we can offline means we are shutting in the database and taking the backup.
Oh,
Online
okay.
means yeah. Online means whenever the operations are running, like whenever the transactions are running on the database, also we can take the backup.
Okay, I thought
That
there's
is the
table
main.
space online, offline. Yeah, okay, I got it here.
No, that way also we can perform. Usually here offline and online means that one.
Okay, yeah, I got it.
Yeah, and also there we can perform in cold backup archive and no archive mode. Both modes we can take the backup.
Yes.
Here we have to perform in archive mode only.
Archive mode, yeah.
Yeah. And what is the actual procedure for taking hot backup?
Okay.
Set the data file to begin backup mode. Before performing the hot backup, first you need to set the database in archlog mode. Then you need to set whatever the data file which you want to take the backup. That data file we need to set it to begin backup mode. Okay. So there is a command like that. So we need to put the data file to begin backup mode. So whenever you put the data file to begin backup mode, the data file headers are freezed. Means whatever the operations are happening, those will not be written into data file for that time period till we take the backup.
Oh,
so
okay.
whenever those are freezed, more button on the online read log buffer cache. So
Okay, but
everything
what about
has
the
to be
transactions? What about the transactions?
yeah, that transactions will be in the read log buffer cache only.
So it means like till the backup completes, the redo buffer will keep on increasing.
Yeah, exactly. Yeah. So that's why they are asking to perform this backups in night time when there is no heavy transactions.
Okay.
So if there are many heavy transactions, then it cannot sustain. So more IO will be there, so it cannot able to sustain. That's why we need to prefer the hard backup when there is no heavy transactions or so no application transactions like that.
Okay. Okay.
When you put the data file to begin backup mode, then you need to copy the data file to actual from to backup directory. Okay, so in cold backup, what you performed, you have copied right at OS level. Like that, here you have to take the actual data file to backup directory.
Okay. Just to we need to run that command and just to copy the files like cold backup. Okay.
Exactly. Yeah. And then once you finished, then again set the table space to normal mode. So then data file headers are unfreezed and then button is released. So after that normal mode only, it can able to write the data into the data file head.
Okay.
Okay. The main advantage of this hard backup is to maintain high availability. So we can maintain the high availability of the database, no downtime required.
Yes.
And can be done at table space or data file level.
Okay.
So this hard backup can be done at data files level only, and supports for non-stop business hours. So this will be used for non-stop business hours on business operations.
Okay.
Okay. We'll see the demo of this one, how we can perform the hard backup and all.
Okay.
You tried a cold backup in both modes, right? Archelog and no Archelog.
Yes, yes.
Yeah. Okay. Usually, people will not use the hard backup because it requires some more training.
Okay.
So they need to understand what will happen if you perform the hard backup on that.
Yes.
Yeah, some DBA training is required for to perform hard backups. If it is cold backup, they can perform simply. So that is the simplest procedure.
Yes. We can cancel the backup at any point of time, right? Hot backup, just by saying that how we can alter that backup, whatever.
Yeah, you can. We can perform in backup. If you are seeing more IOs in database, then you can just type a command to perform in backup.
Okay.
Yeah. And cold backup can be taken whenever you are performing any upgrades or migration in databases. What they will do, they will take all the backup, cold backup, including P file and everything. So if any issues happen, if any issues happen, they can easily restore, right? Simply two to three steps.
Yes.
Whenever you face in yesterday's class, we are opening the database in reset log mode, right?
Yes, reset log. Yeah.
Yeah. So if you face any issue, you are not able to open the database in reset logs mode. What we can do, we can enable this parameter underscore yellow underscore reset logs underscore corruption. Okay, if you enable this option to true, then it will open. So sometimes whenever you are opening the database in reset log mode, it will work, but sometimes it will fail. So whenever you fail, whenever you get some error message, you are not able to open the database in reset log mode. So what we can do, we'll just enable this parameter, and then again we will we will shut down the database and start up with reset log mode.
Okay, but this parameter is to update it on. Is it already people?
Yeah, we need to update in P file. Yeah.
You're saying the value to false, right?
Yeah. Initially it will be false.
Yeah, true. Okay. So we set it to for true, and we'll start the database.
Start the database with reset log mode.
Then we need to check the corruption as well, right? Because we check this one.
Yeah. Usually people will not enable this parameter in production. So if it is in production, we should not enable this one. So if it is a development kind of thing, if we miss 2-3 archives also, that will be fine, right? So unnecessarily, why to waste the time? They introduced this parameter.
Okay, so for production it should be false only, right?
Yeah, it will be false. Yeah, only
unless we have an issue.
Yeah, unless we have issue. Yeah, very few databases will have this parameter to be true. Usually they will not enable, they will not suggest also. Even Oracle also will not suggest this parameter. But if it is enabled, if you are facing any problem with open reset logs, then it will automatically recover that one and then open up the database.
Okay. Yep. Hello, reset log corruption. Yep.
Yeah. So there is a view to see the backup of the data files. So if you see here, we have 8 data files, eight data files in our database. So all the data files status. So first one, second one. So each data file is having one ID. Okay. So based on the ID, whether the status is active or not, it will display. This is nothing but backup status. So for 8, we have taken the backup yesterday. That's why it is showing.
Okay.
File ID status is not active, but we have taken the backup at 16th January 15. If you see here, select file underscore ID. Come on. Yep.
File name, yeah, that's what I'm asking. Okay. DBA underscore database.
If you see here, I have this one 8, 7, 1, 2, 3.
Okay, I got it here. Then how did the system know that whether we have taken a backup or not?
So when you are
right, manually we are copying the files.
Yep. So here, whenever you are performing hard backup, what we will do, we will enable the parameter like alter database begin backup.
Begin backup, okay, and then it will reset.
Yeah, exactly. Okay. Yeah. Why it's not opening? There is no space or something.
You need to exit, right?
Yeah. File underscore name from column. Okay, here I'm trying to reduce this space. So we can reduce this space. Suppose this file ID is there, right? 1, 2, 3, 4. So
Okay.
the file name is going to second line. So with the column format, we can reduce the size of this file ID.
Yeah, the column.
So that
width.
yeah, so that the file name will come in the first line itself instead of going to second line. Set column.
Column format. Okay. File.
Column name format A50. If it is giving error, then we have to come out from this and then we have to run again.
Yeah, I got it. Yeah, because we need to reset the SQL place.
Yeah, again, yeah. Okay, we'll see the hard backup demo. Now what we'll do, we'll create one table space here. Create table space. Hot BKB hot backup, and then data file. So where to keep the data file? We can keep the data file here. Hot BKB dot DBA. Size is 1 MB. I'm giving only 1 MB size. Okay.
Okay.
Now I want to assign this hot backup table space to one user, specific user. So what we will do, we will create one user. Create user. Hot BKB. Identified by default table space. Default table space is same.
Hot BKB.
Yeah. Now grant
session.
Connect comma resource.
Okay.
Store. And try to assign grant DBA also.
Heartbeat.
Now try to connect to this user. So if we assign default table space, whatever you are inserting or creating data, creating tables and all, those objects will go to this table space.
Yes.
Now connect heartbeat. Okay. Now create table emp as set star. Okay, the table is created. Now insert into select star from emp. Okay, that in this record.
Yeah. And I got like one more question.
Yep.
How do we know that what tables the user wants? Like for example, we have given a select on one Scott table for this user. Let's say.
Yeah.
So if you run the select asset select table name from all tables, it should show up all the tables, right?
Yeah, exactly. Yeah.
But my problem is like it's not showing the schema name. Like
it will show. You need to perform DBA underscore objects. If you are performing user underscore objects means user underscore tables. You are performing at one schema level only. Right? So
okay.
DBA means it will be for all schemas. So there will be a column like owner.
Okay. Let me check. Yeah.
Yes. We can see here also DAC DBA underscore objects. So if you see here, I'm in user HotBKB.
Okay.
DAC user underscore objects.
User objects. Okay. Okay.
Or user underscore tables also. So here it will be for one schema level only.
And this is for one schema, right?
Yeah.
For example, user one is given a select on Scott tables.
Yeah. So I am on HotBKB. So it will show only the related tables under HotBKB only. But I want to see for entire one. So now connect /sfdb, or else I have given DBA permission to this user, right?
Yes.
You can perform DESC DBA underscore objects. Okay. So now it's having owner comma object name. Okay. Now select owner comma object underscore name from DBA underscore objects. Okay. If you give this one order by 1 DAS.
Okay,
object underscore name from DBA underscore objects where owner equal to owner in, okay, Scott, we need to put in single quotes, Scott, comma, and then which user we created, hot PKP, right? We'll put that one.
Yeah.
See, it is displaying all the tables. So under Scott we have different tables. Under hot PKP I created one EMP table.
Okay. Yep.
So this you usually use. So whenever developer is facing some issue or kind of thing, so then we'll go and check here a DBA objects. Just we'll put where owner like, where object name like that specific value which they are getting error. The codes they will put some alias, right, for tables. So which will matches to our table also. So then we need to put what is the actual our app owner. So where owner in that app owner name, and then what is the object name? Object name like particular. And also
okay. This is okay. For example, take user one, right? User one is he will have his own schema, and he can create tables on his schema. Whatever objects he can create on his schema, right?
correct,
Like, okay.
yeah.
For example, for user one, we have given a select on self privilege on one of the Scott tables.
Okay. Yeah.
So where to find that one? Like we have given that one, but where to find that we have given access to that guy? Like, because the user one is having access to the Scott table.
Okay. Roles DB underscore roles views are there, right? Privileges.
Yeah, privilege DB underscore privileges. We can I think we can.
Yeah.
Check it out, yeah.
So where we need to put that table object name.
Okay. Yeah, I got it. Yeah.
Or else if you have any client software like Toad and all, you can easily get that data. So if you go to the username, if you generate the script for user, it will give all the changes, like what are the permissions which you gave, everything it will give.
In Toad only, in Toad only, we cannot get it in SQL Plus.
Yeah, SQL Plus. No, SQL Plus. There is a option like getDDL, but in getDDL you cannot get roles and all. So only create table script you will get.
What about SQL developer? Developer also we can get it, right?
SQL developer you can get, yeah. SQL developer also like one GUI, right? Yeah.
Yeah, it has interface.
Yeah.
Okay, I'll check it out. Yeah, thanks.
Yeah.
Go ahead.
It's my pleasure. Yeah. And for DBA underscore objects means it will give for all the objects, and DBA tables is only tables.
Yes.
Okay. In hot backup, what we performed, we created one separate user. Okay.
Yes.
And we created one table. Yeah, we created one table space.
Yeah.
And then we inserted some of the records. Okay. Now.
Yes.
User. Okay. Hot PKP. And then we select count of star from. Okay, now 208 records are there. So what we'll do to perform this hot backup, the database should be in archelog mode.
Archelog mode. Yeah.
Yeah. Now come to /sys replace this user. Now archive log list.
Yep.
So it's in archelog mode, so no need to enable it. Okay. Now we need to perform the hot backup.
Yep. So alter
database, alter table space. Sorry, it is for table space level. Then we can perform table space level. Alter table space. What is the table space name?
hot backup.
Begin backup. Okay, now the table space is altered. So I was in, I'm in the same folder where we have all the data files and all. So this is my database file, which I have to take the backup. So now I am copying this one to /u02. Okay. So I am taking the backup in /u02. Okay. Now see, select star from $backup. So now it is active. If you see here, I created one data file. This one. You see here.
Yeah.
Select file_id command.
File name bro. DBA data files.
Data underscore files where file_id equal to id is 9.
9, yeah.
Okay. So 9 is my hot BKB DBF. So I am performing backup on this data file. So that's why it is status is active on today's date. Okay.
Yep.
Okay. Now I have copied this data file. Now I am performing end backup. Alter table space. What is my table space name? Table space name hot BKB end backup.
Start backup and end backup. Okay.
No, begin backup and end backup.
Yeah, begin end. Okay.
Yeah. So this is the command. Begin backup mode, and then end backup mode.
Okay.
So now it is in backup mode. Okay. We'll try to remove one of the same data file and we'll see what will happen. Okay. Now connect. Okay. Insert into EMP. Okay. Now the inserts are happening in my database. Now see here. Now I will delete. Someone deleted this file accidentally. So rm
On backup.db. Yeah.
DBA. Okay. I have the backup and I am deleting this file. Now try to exit, then SQL plus create table dot emp underscore bkp as select star from see. Now it is giving error, right?
Yes.
So I'm trying to create a table under this user hot bkp. So now it's throwing error like I cannot able to write. So error in opening the data file name. So this is the file name. Okay. Now we need to see what we can do whenever there is an issue with the data file or like this, no such file or directory, we need to shut a port.
Yes.
Okay, shut a port.
Can we recover that file from archive logs?
Yeah, we'll see that one also until time and everything. I have a one demo for that also. I will show you.
Yeah, but we don't have the previous backup, right? Yeah.
These
Okay.
complete archives. I have today morning I have taken cold backup,
Okay.
and I have archives from today morning to afternoon. Okay, but I
Okay.
will copy the today's morning cold backup, and then we will apply the archives.
Okay. Yeah.
So then it will, actually usually it will if it is an archive mode. So based on our commands, it will take the archives.
Yes.
Then apply the archives. Yeah, I have a demo for that also. I will show you. Okay. Now shut about. Then what we have to do is we have to perform the recovery at which place?
That we need to replace the file, right? Like there is no
Yeah.
file, we need to copy it from backup.
We need to copy the yeah, correct, yeah. Okay, now we have to copy that file. Copy /ugflow2 / my backup, and then in DBA1 I have this file hardbkp.dba. Okay.
Yeah, but in this case it will recover until the point where when the deep backup is done, right? File backup is done.
Yeah. So if it is an archlog mode, in the next startup, it will take care about recovery also.
Okay.
So now exit. Now startup mount. At mount stage only we can perform recovery. And when this scenario will happens in production is and yesterday also we recreated one data file, right?
Yes, yes.
Suppose the people is in night shift, so he has to create one data file. So by mistake he has given different name.
Okay.
So then what we have to do? We have to take the backup and we have to recreate once again if nothing data is inserted in the data file.
Okay. But we cannot recover until the point like
Yeah,
for example,
if he is
we have taken a backup. For example, if we taken a backup, right now we have taken a backup, right? And then
exactly.
after some time we have some transaction happen on the table space.
Yeah.
And then after that point somebody deleted, so we cannot recover the transactions, right?
Yeah.
Okay, it's like generally it's same like that.
If it is an archlog mode, we can recover till that point.
Okay, that's what I'm asking. Okay.
We need to if we have that backup code backup, I will show you the demo. I will show you the demo so that you can understand clearly. So how it is applying. Yeah. So what we'll do, we'll drop and we'll delete some of the rows. Then we'll try to start up the database. So Archill introduces all these options, but based on the situation and all, we need to choose which option is suitable to our database.
Okay.
Suppose the database is all the time it's up and running and every transaction are happening, I cannot go for hard backup then.
Yeah,
so I have to choose the other alternative.
Yeah.
So some databases we can shut down in the night times. So that time no need to go for this hard backup and all. So I can give only little bit training to my backup so that they can perform cold backup. So based on the situation, we need to get these thoughts. If suppose in production, if any data file is dropped, so you won't go for this one, recovery, usually. So what we'll do, we'll go for urban backup or those things.
Okay.
Now I have to go to startup mode. Why?
It's already started.
Oh, it's already mounted. Oh, sorry. I'm sorry. Now I want to show this one. Select start from $backup. Now my data file is missing, right? But it's showing we have taken the backup of this data file. Okay.
Okay.
So if you see in $backup, we have the backup of this one till this time, 17th January. Okay. Now I have the backup. Now what we can do under this mode, we need to perform in backup. There is a syntax alter table space in backup. Okay. Now what it is asking, in backup failed, one is succeeded.
But we already end the backup, right? Then why you?
Yeah. So we need to recover this one, alter database. Okay. What is my data file? Recover automatic data file. Sorry, not database, data file. Data file, and then what is my data file number 9. If you want to give this one, you can give this one, or else 9 we can give. So now it's recovered. We'll see alter database open, whether it will open or not. Now my database is open. Okay. Now if you see this one with backup, now the status will be changed. See,
so now we are recovered from archive logs directly.
Yep, correct. From hard backup, from the hard backup till this point, till hard backup, we have recovered from the hard backup. So after the transactions, we have recovered from the archive logs. But here, I have performed at data file level only. Okay. Suppose I have inserted some other records in my data file. Okay. I dropped this one before commit. Okay. I dropped this hardbkp.dbf before commit. Okay. Then what I will do shut about. Okay. Then I will start up mount and then I will recover with my hard backup. Okay. Till this point, the data file is recovered from the hard backup. And after the transactions which are not completed, that will be taken care by S1 in the next startup. Okay, from the archives. So we have data in archives, so that will be applied.
Okay.
So if you see the next demo, you can able to understand, I think. So from archives, how it's applying.
Okay. In this case, you have not copied the file to the file back, right?
I have copied, right?
Okay, you have copied. Okay.
From /u02 to dot.
Dot, yeah. Oh, okay. Dot is local file location. Yeah.
Yeah, exactly. Yeah, correct.
Current
so here,
PWD. Yeah.
Yeah, I have already used this backup, right? So there are some transactions happen. So that's why the status is going to not active. So again, you have to take the backup. If you take the backup now, then it will be status is active till that time period.
Okay, these transactions are done. Are actually done after the backup has taken, right? That's why.
Yeah, correct.
Okay. Yep. Got it. Yeah.
So I will show you one demo. We will take the cold backup, and then after taking the cold backup, we will drop the tables and we will delete the records, and we will see whether those will be recovered or not.
Okay. Okay. Yep.
Now my database is in up and running or not. I have to check. Open underscore more.
And one more thing is how often we need to clean up the archive logs.
Actually, we usually have a job which will run for run on daily basis.
Okay.
So people are using different types of replication process. Okay, so
Okay.
based on our replication, we can delete the archives by 12 hours or 24 hours.
24 hours, okay.
Yeah.
Okay, yeah.
And some people they will schedule a cron job in non-UAT also. So there they will perform archive deletion for every 4 hours.
Okay. Like in Windows, I think they did it from the Windows task scheduler, right? I remember that one.
Okay.
Yep.
Okay. Now in hard backup, we forgot one thing. We need to take the backup of the control file also, control file to trace. But here I got the file names before, right? The path and everything. So whenever you are taking the control hard backup, we need to take the backup of control file to trace.
Okay.
So to know the file paths and everything, file name and everything.
Okay, yeah.
Now we'll see until time recovery, okay, from code backup. So these are all my my database is up and running. Okay, now connect. We'll better use a different user1 / user1. Okay, now select count or star from EMP. Okay. Now what I will do, delete from EMP. Oh, undo DBS is not able to. Okay.
There is no place in that one, right?
Yeah. Yeah. So what is the difference between delete and drop? You know that one, right? Whenever you perform a drop, the space also will be released.
Oh.
So in delete, the space will not be released.
Okay.
Someone has to come and clean up the space. So if you perform drop, the extent will be free extent. No.
Okay. Yep.
Yep. Now I perform drop. Yep. Set timer. Okay.
What is the set timer? Like
to see the time of the current time. Yeah. Create table EMP as select star from. Okay. Now select count or star from. Okay, I have 13 records here, right? At what time?
Yeah.
7:57, 15.
Okay.
Let us note down this one.
Okay.
7:57 p.m. I have 13 records.
13 records, yeah.
So what I will do, I want to show like we'll drop and recreate. Okay. Insert into EMP as select star from EMP.
Showing 13. Okay, count.
Yeah, 13 records. Now commit Okay, select count of star from EMP.
Showing 13 only, that's all.
Oh,
There are no records. Okay, maybe.
I have performed select insert into EMP as select star. Oh, it's wrong actually.
Because it's having 13 records there, right? It should insert them.
I performed slash right here. Something went wrong. So this is not the actual syntax also. So that 10 records is for select count of star from EMP.
Oh, okay.
So before performing insert, I performed select count of star from EMP. So that is working here.
Oh, okay. Previous statement is running.
Yeah, in EMP.
Select
star
from EMP.
yeah.
Yeah, now it's working.
Yeah. So now see select count of star from EMP. I have 832 records.
759.
Yeah. Now I am committing the transaction. Okay. So at 732 records, what we will do? We'll take the backup now. Okay.
Okay.
mkdir-p /u02.
And this is with the archive log enabled, right?
Yeah, exactly. Yeah.
Okay.
We can perform incomplete recovery in arclog mode only.
Yeah.
/u02/hold_time. Okay. Now let's move. This is my code backup. Today morning I am taking my code backup. My table is available and everything is going fine, and I am taking the code backup. Okay. Copy star dot star. So before taking the callback, what we have to do? We have to shut down our database. Okay.
Yep. Switch log file. Commit log.
So why I am performing this one manually? Here there is no that much transactions, right?
Yeah.
So
To create a log file there. Yeah.
Yeah, to create the archives. Yeah. No shutdown. Okay, my database is down. Okay, now morning I am taking the code backup.
Okay.
Okay, copy star to
202 cool time.
yeah my code backup location. Okay, my code backup is finished. Okay, now I am starting the database. Okay, my database is up and running. Again, I am inserting some records into user one table.
Okay. So just
Like earlier 832 records are there when at the time of cold backup. Okay.
okay.
At cold backup.
832. Yeah.
Okay. Till 7:59:53, we have 839 records, and we have cold backup also. See, if you see
832
here
records.
in this point, we have 832 records.
32. Yeah.
Yeah. Now connect user1 / user1. Okay. Now select from EMP. Okay. So I have 832 records. Again, I am inserting some of the records into EMP. Select start from. Okay, EMP. Oh, sorry.
As remove as.
Yeah.
We were the same error as yesterday. Remove.
Yeah. Select star from EMP. Okay. Again, I am inserting. Okay, 1664 records are created. So now commit. I have committed. Now select count of star from EMP. Okay. Now what is the count? 3328. Okay.
Okay.
Double 328 records after cold backup.
Okay.
Okay.
Yeah.
Now alter system. Switch off. Now after 8557, I have all the records which are of 3328. Now someone after 2 hours or 3 hours like that, someone mistakenly dropped the table. Okay.
Okay.
Drop table.
Yeah.
EMP patch. We'll wait for 1 minute. We'll see if time is changed. 87.
What is the purge one? We can directly give.
Purge means it will clear the space. I mean, if anything unnecessary space like recycle bin also it will purge.
Okay.
So in this one EMP table, there are recycle bin tables are created, right? If you see here, yeah. So these are like recycle bin tables. Okay. So in production, they usually patch the recycle bin tables also.
Okay.
So this will also release some of the space. Archil is internally creating some recycle bin tables.
And how they are generally monitored? How they'll delete it automatically based on times?
No, actually they used to have some monitoring scripts which can patch for this interval after taking the backup and all like that.
Okay.
After taking the backup, they will do patch recycle bin.
Okay.
In non-prod, they will perform on daily basis usually.
Okay.
Which will patch the shared pool and everything. Okay. Now 87. See the time also. Drop table. EMP patch. So now my table is patched and it is auto commit, and then okay at 08822 my table is dropped. Okay. So mistakenly he dropped the table, but we don't have the backup till drop table. Okay. but my database is in unable mode, and I have the cold backup till 888 records.
Yes.
Okay. So till 839 records, I have the cold backup. But I want to restore till this point, 80517, 3328 records.
Okay.
Okay. What I will do, I have to replace my backup location, right?
Yeah.
Now shut down. Shut down. Okay, my database is down. Okay.
Yeah.
Now what I have to do, I have to move this all the files to different location, and I have to take from cold backup. Okay. Now I need to check the space.
So you're saying we will research somewhere to recover the table.
Yeah, and today morning I have my cold backup, right? So first I will restore till my cold backup. Then I have to do some more operation to get this records.
Okay. Yep.
So till 839 records only I have cold backup. But I want 3328 records.
Yeah.
What I have to do, I have to replace this location with my cold backup. Okay. Now mkd space -p /u02 / cold underscore after cold backup. This is the backup after cold backup. Okay. So ls move start to this location.
Okay.
Okay. Now my backup is completed, but I have to copy from this one, right? This is the cold underscore time.
Yeah.
Which we have today morning's backup. Okay. Now cd there is nothing here. Shift insert. Okay. Now ls this is my backup. Okay. Now copy start to my actual DBA one location.
Okay. But in that case,
Yeah.
what about the tables in other? What are the other tables?
Other tables based on their transactions, so those will be recovered. So here we are assuming like there is one table has been dropped mistakenly. By mistake,
Okay.
he dropped the table. So he is sure like none of the tables are updated other than this table.
Okay.
Okay. So where people will face these situations, right? So sometimes what we will do, we make it requests from developers, right?
Yeah.
What they will do, they will asking us like drop table name like that. So the developer mistakenly given different name. So if you are not checking the table name and all, if you drop the table, so again they will come up like my table is not available. So then I have to restore till that table.
Okay.
So at the time we have to use this operation.
Yeah, but in the, generally other tables will also be recorded because we will have the archive for other tables as well in the same file.
Yeah,
right?
yeah, correct.
So no issues. Yeah, but after the backup, just apply the transaction log point till the
Yeah,
point of time.
yeah, till the point of time. Yeah, correct.
So we copied the files.
Okay, we copied the files now. So we need to come to the database at mount stage.
Yeah.
Startup mount.
We need to alter the log files, right?
Yeah, alter. Yeah, let's alter database. Recover
Reset.
automatic. No, recover automatic using
Okay.
backup control file. Okay, until time. What is my time? 2015 hyphen 01 hyphen 17 colon. So till this time I want to recover.
759, 53.
Yeah. Yeah.
No, we need to recover till late, right? 805. Yeah.
839 3328.
Yeah.
Alter database recover automatic using backup control file until time this one. Okay.
What is the backup control file option that you're using?
Control file. So it will use some control file information.
Okay, it will use on the, okay, yeah, I got it, yeah. Until time. To find the location of files, yeah.
Yeah. Now my database is recovered till this time period. Okay. Now, whenever you record, you need to perform the alter database open reset logs.
Yes, after recovery, okay.
Yeah.
But I had to do immediately.
Alter database open reset logs. Okay. Okay, my database is altered. Okay. So I need to connect. Oh, yeah. Okay. Now connect user1/user1. Select count of star EMP. Okay. Uh, 832 records till we have a backup.
Yeah, that is right.
805 839, right? Why 832?
832 only. You have written wrong there, yeah, 832, yeah.
Oh, okay.
But this is until backup file is recovered. But one of the archaeology also need to be recovered, right?
Yeah, correct. Yeah.
832 only for sure. 832, yeah, is there, right?
Yep. 832 only. Okay. Yeah, we need to recover till this point, right? 3328.
Yeah, you're right.
What is the time? 080517. I'm giving correct only. Alter database recover automatic using backup control file until time this one. Okay.
Can you give somewhat like 1 minute later time, like after that one? Let's.
Uh, okay.
We have not committed. We not committed. Sure.
Oh, we have not completed.
Can you have it? I'm not sure. We have not committed anything.
I have
See,
completed.
Committed? Okay, then it should recover. 80506.
Yeah.
09. Just give this date.
Yeah, 09. Yeah.
Then we need to start from starting, or we can do it.
Oh, we can do it. $809. Okay. 00509. When I haven't performed switch lock while I have performed switch lock also before dropping.
Yeah. Till 821.
Yeah. It's recovered till my backup, cold backup only.
Cold backup only, yeah.
Yeah, but it has to recover till this point.
Control files. I mean, it has not recovered the data, right? Because we just applied the backup file. That's it.
Yeah, correct. Yeah.
Can you check the?
I think this will work for this one only. What we'll do, we'll again shut down this one. We'll try to recover till this time period.
Okay. Yep.
$832. Okay. Okay, shut down, exit. SQL plus / DBA. Shut down. Okay, now we need to go to this location, cd shift insert. Okay, rm star dot star. Okay, now go to this location, cd shift insert. Okay,
Okay.
yeah. Okay, it's copied. Now startup mount. Alter database. Recover automatic. Using backup control file until time. Okay. Am I given same comment there?
Yeah.
Okay, until time. Now I have to give date 2015.
No.
/17 sorry 01/17 slash till what time I want to recover this one.
7. Okay.
We'll try this one. Yeah.
Okay.
So 075951. Okay. Now after database, open reset logs. Now select count of star from user1.en. So why it's storing till that point only?
Maybe the time format correct? Like,
yeah, we have given correct only 2015 year, month and date. Then followed by this one.
mm-hmm.
080517. Okay. We dropped the table at 8822. Okay, but we want to recover till 0815. Okay, show parameter. Alter system set equal to false. Why?
What is system? Set when it logs false.
False. Scope equal to SP file.
Okay.
Oh, we need to put this one in single quote, double quotes. Sorry. out the system set I am expecting might be because of this one, I think, equal to false, scope equal to SP file. I'm using my SP file. Okay, now system is altered. Show parameter underscore all. Okay, now it is, oh, still it is true. Why it is true still?
Because you change it to scope equal to SP file, right? It's supposed
Okay.
to change memory, right? Current section
Yeah.
is memory. So once
So
you
what I have to do?
go back to?
Yeah, correct. Very good. Yeah. Now I have to shut down. Okay, start up. Now again shut down.
No, when replace the file set, yeah.
Yeah. So I thought of checking the parameter. Okay. Okay, it went down. Okay, now RM starter star. Now I have to copy from this one. Okay, CD shift insert. This is where I have code backup. Okay,
Yeah.
shift insert. Okay, now I have CD this location. Now startup mode. Okay. Okay, now alter database, open, reset logs. Zero 080517. Now select count of star from user1.env. Okay, we'll do once again. Okay, show parameter underscore all. Now it is false, right? Okay.
Yeah.
So insert into connect user1/user1. I am expecting might be because of this parameter. So
Okay.
till the backup, it is resetting. So whenever you are opening the database in reset log mode, we need to take the backup again, but we are using the same backup. Yeah, we'll try with same operation once again. Yeah.
Okay.
Select count of star from EMP. Okay. Insert into EMP. Select star from EMP. Okay. Oh, sorry. Insert into EMP. Select star from EMP. Now commit, alter, to star from EMP. Okay, 6656. Set timer.
Okay, 8:35:21.
Alter system. Switch log file. 6656. Okay. Okay, now commit, shut down. Okay, we'll take the code backup again till these many records.
Okay.
Okay, 6656.
Okay.
And again we will insert and we will drop the table.
Okay.
mktr call time 1. Okay. Okay, my database is down. Okay. So now I am taking the backup of all the files. Copy start to this location.
Okay.
Okay, the copy is done. Now again I am starting my database. Start up.
Okay.
Connect to user1 slash user1. Okay. Not from EMP. Okay. 6656 records. Okay. Now again insert. Is there any time difference? 8:38. There we have taken backup at 8:35. Okay, we are good. To EMP. Select star from EMP. Okay. Now commit. Now select count of star from EMP. Okay, till this time period 53248 records we have.
Yeah.
3248. 53248 records.
So now drop the
Now
table.
we have to drop the table. Yeah. We'll wait for 1 minute. Okay. Now drop table EMP.
Push.
Only drop table EMP. Okay. Now it is committed. Okay. Now we need to restore the point till this count. Okay.
Yep.
839 29. Okay.
Shut
I have the
down.
backup. I have the backup
Yeah.
only till 8:35 to 1. Okay.
Okay.
Now shut down. Will perform shut down. Okay. Okay, we need to take this backup also. Okay. Now we have
Okay,
the
we need to
port
restore the
number.
path.
Yeah. So from this location, mkdir slash u02 slash what is my I want to give -p slash u02 slash cold underscore after. Okay, copy, move, we are moving, move, start to okay, we are done with now we have to copy, right, from that location.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah. Okay. This is the place where we have taken old backup. Okay. Okay, correct. Okay.
Yeah.
CD. Now go to that location. Okay, ls. Now copy start to DBA1. So now I am copying till this 6656 records.
Yep.
Yeah. Okay, we are done with copy. CD. So all the files are copied here. Okay. Now startup. We'll come out from this session. Exit. Startup mode. The database. Recover automatic using backup control. Backup control file. Yeah. Control file until time. Alter database recover automatic using backup control file until time 2015 hyphen 01 hyphen 17 colon what is my time. Okay.
Yep.
Now alter database. Open reset logs. Now the database is altered. $database. Okay, now connect user1 / user1. Select star from tab. EMP. We dropped the table, but table is recreated, but rows we need to match. Select count of star from EMP. 53248. Okay. Is the count fine? Yeah, we are good.
Yeah.
Maybe I think that is because of that parameter only.
Yeah.
So what he is doing, that is restoring till that corruption only. So means I have the backup till that time. So till that time only it is restoring. So when we are setting the parameter, so usually I have researched on that parameter. So whenever there is issue, then only they are changing that parameter in SP file. Again they are restarting the database. Okay. Suppose here my database is not yet open. If it is not opened here, so in open reset logs it should work here. If it is not working, then what I have to do, if it is giving any error here, so what I will do, I will apply that parameter to true. Then again I will shut down my database. In the next startup, it will pick up that parameter, right? Scope equal test
Yes.
file. Then it will recover till the tree storage.
And we can change scope equal to memory, right? Okay. Okay.
Yeah, we can
Because it's not
change.
starting. Okay.
Yeah. So scope equal to memory will be applicable for memory parameters like shared pool, SGA.
Oh yeah, you are right. Yeah.
Those parameters, for those parameters, we will give this one.
Okay. There is one table, right, to check whether we can apply it on param memory directly or not. Yeah. I got it. Yeah.
So this way we can recover until time.
Okay.
Okay. So we'll see some more scenarios like until suppose if we lose our redo log, we can recreate our redo log also. Okay. In the next demo classes, so we'll see those things also.
Okay. Yeah. Yeah.
And tomorrow and day after tomorrow we don't have class.
Okay. Yeah. Anyhow, I was busy actually. I have some upgrade.
Okay.
So,
okay.
Some application upgrade is that they kept it around from 5 to next day morning, and then Sunday we have infra is having some server issue, so they want to reboot all the clusters.
Okay.
So there is.
I think there is some release in US, right? This 18th, I guess. 18th some release. No, not Oracle.
Yeah, we have
most of the companies. Yeah.
Yeah, we have like we have main application that upgrade is there. Another one is like we recently we have on Monday we have one issue with the blade, HP blade, some blade.
Okay.
So they fixed it, but it's not fixed properly. So they went to the support and they want to work with the support. So tomorrow Sunday they fix it. Like both days busy schedule.
Oh, okay. SQL Server side. They are fixing.
Yeah, SQL Server side, yeah.
SQL Server. Oh,
not only SQL Server, all whole servers are on the box.
Oh, okay.
Just that this is an IT infra issue, like infrastructure, whole
infrastructure. Okay.
Yeah. Everything
they
is
are
working on it.
Okay, fine.
Okay.
So try to practice this one. Actually, I also practiced yesterday night also till I am facing this issue, right? So if you practice more, then only you can understand these all the concepts and that. So
I'll practice.
You have to practice. Yeah. Okay.
Yeah.
Yep. Okay.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Thanks
for joining. Yeah. Thank you.
Bye.
Bye.